All right, my name is Hackler from Bay Maples, and let's do a quick little tour of our recent project. This is a very unique installation where we had the ability to do two gardens, two neighboring projects, and with some really fun and unique features. So let's go check it out. So one of the goals of every Bay Maples project is to find creative ways and sensible ways to manage stormwater on all of our sites. And one of the easiest ways to do that is minimize impervious materials. In this instance, we removed a large section of concrete that was in the park strip area between the sidewalk and the street. And we removed that area and installed a swale and also a new native garden. This solved the solution of creating more green space, managing stormwater control, reducing the heat island effect on the property, and also is very aesthetically pleasing and adds habitat for local wildlife. When the clients initially reached out to me, one of the goals for them was to remove the broken up, cracked driveway. They wanted to find a more aesthetically pleasing surface, and I also saw this as an opportunity to manage the stormwater. And what we did was install a permeable paver. So not only was this an attractive solution to their broken up driveway, this also was a good way to manage stormwater during a rain event. So unlike a typical concrete driveway, which allows the water to run off the top into the stormwater system, this is a material that soaks into the ground and actually recharges the water and allows for no stormwater runoff. In every Bay Maples project, I try and find some fun ways to incorporate some artistic elements. And as you may have seen in some of our other projects, we love to utilize Corten steel, also known as weathering steel, which creates a very fun and interesting patina. And as you can see behind me, we use the Corten steel as a raised bed for some plants, which also serves to create a backdrop to the garden and also helps to kind of hide the large stucco facade of the house. So kind of breaking up that area and adding some color into the garden. Another fun artistic element to this garden is the stainless steel cable wire fence behind me. While the clients wanted to find a fun way to make the gardens complementary, they also wanted to find a unique way to sort of set them apart. And this see-through cable wire fence did a fantastic job of achieving that goal. All right, we're here putting on the finishing touches to this water feature behind me. One of the goals was to make the gardens kind of complementary of each other. And as you can see, we used a Corten steel again to mimic the raised beds we have next door. It's a fun way to tie in the two projects, but still make them each unique in their own right. As with all Bay Maples projects, we utilize drought-tolerant native plants. In this particular project, we utilized native plants from a Woodland Plant Palette, appropriate for this location. I'm Hackler from Bay Maples. I really enjoyed giving you a tour of our recent project. Keep an eye out for one of our signs in your neighborhood, and if you see one, you'll know a sustainable garden is being built in your neighborhood. To find out more information about how we could do something like this at your house, check us out at baymaples.com. See you next time.